spinning. To officially go. Let's get it. For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. Affy, my bro, welcome back to the channel. You're a star out here.
Come on.
The audience love you.
Am I the star of my car, the star?
Bro, you're the star.
Yeah?
The way you drive your car.
Oh, okay.
The OG battle legend out here. It's actually quite interesting because behind us is not your GTR.
It's not my GTR, no.
It's your GT3 RS. Before we get into this car behind us, and I don't want to say too much about your GTR because you actually have your own YouTube channel where you're revealing loads of crazy happenings that I think people should check out. But your GTR isn't what we thought it is, right?
No, no. So
don't say too much though. Where they got to go to find you?
Affy/GTR YouTube channel.
Yep.
On Instagram as well. You probably got it already.
Yep.
Aff_exclusive. Going crazy, literally sending it space and making it look mental. But listen, big shout out to everyone who always comments as well because I can't always catch up with them. But listen, I'm hearing you all. See you soon.
Wicked, wicked. All right, bro, on to the matter at hand. A completely different car. From JDM cars to German cars to Porsches. One of, if not one of the hottest topic cars right now. Anyone who knows me knows I'm a Porsche guy. And in fact, I just panned the camera around there because my Turbo S is looking like a base spec Carrera next to this car. Bro, tell us a little bit about the car itself.
Okay, so it's a flat 6 engine, 520 brake, 1500 kg in weight.
So 1500 kg compared to the Turbo S, which is 1650. So we've got 150 kg-ish saving there. And this is also YSAC, right?
Yeah.
Which I believe adds a lot more carbon.
I think it's about, there's loads more carbon lightweight bonnet and everything. Carbon doors, even though they're painted. Inside's more stripped out and everything. So I think it's about 20, 30 kg less
than like what standard GT3 has.
Yeah.
This car has so much angles that unfortunately the other Carreras or the Turbo S's or the GTS's or whatever just don't have. This is the first time I've actually been up and close and personal with one of these, let alone going out in one.
Okay.
You know,
it's a bit of a treat, definitely a bit of a treat.
Yeah.
Don't know about the power compared to what you're used to in your Porsche, but
this is built for a different application.
Yes.
But bro, we need to talk about this wing because I know in pictures these look crazy, but in real life it doesn't make sense how they let a production car hit the market with such a wild looking wing.
It's crazy, isn't it? Because if you saw a Subaru with an aftermarket spoiler or an Evo, people would be like, oh, look at that, the shopping trolley.
Yeah.
On a Porsche, you get away with it.
Exactly, it's like the bigger the better, isn't it? The wilder the better. And this actually has active aero DRS, is it?
Yes, active aero DRS. Basically, you got downforce for track. So if you're going fast around corners, it activates, you're sticking like glue.
So also this car is bone stock, it has had nothing done to it, standard exhaust even.
Completely standard. Strange, but yeah.
I think with these cars, they're such good out of the box cars, you just got to appreciate these cars for what they are.
100%, 100%. They just feel like a race car. You get in, you get that race car feel.
Yeah.
And then every time you come out and look at it, you're like, all right.
Yeah.
Got a bit of art, piece of art there.
Yeah. This is a poster car, and can we show them inside real quick? Because guys, take a look at this. I mean, it's a lovely place. He's got his fire extinguisher.
Whoever knows me from the Skyline a long time ago.
The OG battles, Affy did set his car on fire, so that as a spec option is definitely a good thing. Carbon fiber cage even in the back, these carbon fiber YSAC bucket seats here. It just looks amazing. And gearbox, PDK 8-speed or 7-speed in these? Because I know it's 8-speed in my Turbo S.
I'm sure it's 7-speed.
Oh, 7?
I'm I'm sure it is.
We'll find out. Is this anything active? Does anything change here or no?
No.
That's just kind of air, like it kind of...
That's loads of air vents and...
just channels air in and out and all the air.
Exactly.
It's quite funny, because you got two people who absolutely love cars, absolutely... I mean, look, I'm in love with my Turbo S. I know a lot about it, but when it comes to a car like this, we're just here because we love it.
I know.
And I think a lot of people probably, they'll be able to find a lot of the specs online anyway.
Yes,
and
yes.
These cars have been documented, but they haven't been documented by Affy and Jamie driving these.
Exactly. So
what are we going to do? We're going to give the people what they want.
100%.
And go out in this car.
Let's go.
Let's hit the road.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, guys, so we're in the GT3 RS with man like Affy, and bro, listen, you need to start this properly, bro.
Come on.
Like, you need to start it the Affy way. So this is my first ever experience.
Hold on,
How we doing?
What do you mean starting this properly?
That-
What? You'd be like...
Like this.
just launch it and send it.
Man like Affy in a big GT3 RS.
This was one of my GTRs off the road. This was kind of like...
This is just
something to just kind of make me happy. Can you feel it? It's more from the rear.
Yeah, you can feel the rear end kind of doing something. It is quick though.
Oh, it is quick.
It is quick. It's not in your face fast, but I think it's the noise, the drama, and everything, and the ride. You feel a lot more than the Turbo S. It's still very compliant from the passenger seat. Anyway, it soaks up the bumps, but it lets you know where you are. If that makes sense.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you feel the road, 100%. And the suspension on these, you can actually adjust them in every single way, shape or form, you name it.
Okay.
So if you really want a really stiff ride, or want it to bounce back, or don't want it to bounce back, you can actually adjust that with the settings.
Oh, okay.
I forgot to show you that earlier, actually. Yeah.
Okay. That time. Bro, that gave me the feeling. I felt like it was four-wheel drive the way it gripped.
Oh no. Well, it's got massive tyres and wide wheels on the back.
Yeah.
As you obviously saw.
Bro, that hooked up.
Well, it did hook up that time, didn't it?
The sound of it. What does this rev to? Because the gauge is all saying 10,000 RPM there.
Yes, this revs all the way up there. I think it goes all the way up to like 9,000.
Yeah. It looks like it's going. And the thing is, also, I'm realizing your gear shifters are different to the Turbo S too. They got more of a click.
Yeah, I think they call them like magnetic.
Magnetic.
Yeah. Sounds good. And you kind of feel it. Like,
Yeah. It feels like you're doing something.
It's like a go-kart, isn't it?
Bro, this car, it almost jumps, bro. Like, you know what I mean? That's how stiff it
You know, the
is.
suspension on this is so stiff.
Yeah.
If you go up kind of like a steep curb or something, one wheel will actually stay off the ground.
Oh, it will lift you up?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
that's how stiff the suspension on it is. It's almost like having coilovers on a car which are adjusted.
Yeah.
Really
stiff.
stiff.
Let's go. Yeah. Listen to it. Yeah, this is different. Bro, for a rear-wheel drive car, right, that isn't built for all-out straight-line speed, even from the low gears there, the way it hooks and goes is
pretty good,
it's very good. And it's crazy now because, like, I know 520 brake horsepower in the grand scheme of things.
Yes. It's not
still
a lot anymore.
It's not a lot anymore, but it's still a lot of power.
Oh, yes.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like, I think there's too many 500 brake horsepower Golf R's running around, and it's watered everything down.
That's right.
But when you've got 500 brake horsepower in a car that can utilise every bit of that.
Yeah, a stock car which is quite light. Yes.
It changes the dynamic a lot. It's a special car. Alright guys, yes it is that time. It is the gassed up 0 to 60s with the V-Box Performance Box Touch, and you cannot have Affy and Jamie in the same video and not see a car get launched.
Send it.
So we're going to send it. So 0 to 60 in the standard apparently 3.2 or something like that.
Yeah, around that, give or take, yeah.
But the problem is today it is a little bit damp and it's very cold. We've had a couple of launches that you've done already.
Yep.
One traction cutting heavily, the other it gripped and went.
Yes.
So we're looking for that grip and go.
Yeah.
And then I think we might be able to achieve something similar to a 3.2.
So as long as we can grip Should be alright.
Should be alright.
Should be alright.
Alright, well, place your bets at home and let's get it. Alright, guys, it is our first attempt for these 0 to 60s. When you're ready, bro, let's get it.
Oh, the hook on there.
60! That's a 3.35!
Okay,
so we're nearly there. You're stopping again because I'm assuming you're gonna.
Yeah, 100.
You want to go again?
That's not good enough.
Straight away? Okay. 60. It's very consistent. That's a 3.36. I love how Affy, there's no messing around. There's no he's going again. He's just going again.
In the freeze is one more, right?
Okay. Okay. 60. 3.22.
Okay.
We done it, bro.
Right.
We hit the quoted time of 3.22.
Okay.
GT3 RSs can do it in 3.22. I'll put the leaderboard up now. I'm not sure where you're ranking on the rear wheel drive leaderboard, but what a legend. 3 sends in a row, no messing around. Quoted numbers achieved. Hey.
Right.
Bro.
Let me get my seatbelt on.
Honestly, thank you so much. This
You're
is
welcome,
the first
bro.
time you've been in the passenger, right?
I have of this car, yeah. Nobody's driven this car.
No one's driven this.
Other than myself, yeah.
Bro, like, this is an honor to drive this car. Like, just the fact you're trusting me to drive this car, I know what it means to you, and I know what these are worth, and I know, do you know what I mean? So, just a massive respect for allowing me to do this today.
Listen, it's fine. I know you can drive. I know you got a Porsche, so...
He knows where I live. That's where he's going. I know how much is in your bank account, Jay. Not enough for one of these, but it's all right. We work it out.
All
No,
good,
honestly,
mate.
it's a pleasure, and it's. This is what I live for, and I'm a massive Porsche fan, as you know, and yeah, just having the honour again. I'm not going to try to kiss your ass too much, but thank you.
No,
is what I'm trying to say.
let's go out, enjoy it. Tell me what you think.
Let's go.
Just do this and do that. Does it
Does
it feel different?
Bro, that's different.
Does it feel different?
We got to do this again when we go in my Turbo S after this video.
That's what I mean.
That is dirty as hell.
Straight away, that's the main thing that I felt, and I was like,
Bro.
I was like, wow, you can
That
feel the
is-
speed on that.
Should we do our first pull?
Yeah,
Right, let's go. Right, building. Jesus. Wow. Bro, that gets up there. It's smooth.
It's smooth, isn't it? Yeah.
The power delivery is smooth. And listen to that, bro.
And the way it revs all the way up.
Yeah, yeah,
being
yeah, yeah.
naturally aspirated.
The thing is, what I'm realizing, like in the Turbo S, which we'll find out, is we'll put our foot down, and we're going.
Yeah.
Right then,
We're gone,
this
yeah.
you can enjoy the
Yeah.
revs, you can enjoy the sound.
That's right.
You know, the gear changes are ultra fast. Listen to the noise. Let's do a little first gear, see how it hooks up. Look at that, 100% traction. Yeah, this is mad. And I tell you what else is different from the Turbo S, is you've got these additional rev gauges either side of your rev counter,
Yes.
which are like shift lights.
Yes, yeah.
Turbo S don't have them.
Yeah, yeah. And that only happens in Sport Plus or Sport Plus.
Okay.
Sport even. It's a nice little thing, isn't it? It reminds you of the Formula One cars.
Bro, you honestly, when you sit in this car, you get the feeling of
being in a race car.
yeah. It lets you know you're in a race car. But the maddest thing is, we're in a race car for the road. When you see a car with a spoiler like that,
You never see one on the road.
it's just done. Spinning.
Oh, there's a wet floor there.
No way, bro. This is epic. This is epic. Oh man.
It didn't really hook one as good.
Nah, it
it's a damn floor.
Listen to the sound. What on earth? Yeah, this is where the car comes to life. The steel brakes definitely not as strong as the ceramics on the Turbo S.
No, definitely not.
Bro, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, bro.
That's so good.
This is the one. This is the one. This is the one. You can see on the kind of the smaller, kind of more dynamic, twisty roads,
Yes.
where this is just, you know, look, bro, we're going 5/10 in this car. This can do so much more, but you get a little feel of what this car is designed for. Throttle response is instantaneous in this bad boy.
Yeah. Wait, back! No. Now you
I feel like that. had to. I might not get another chance, bro. I had to. I'm sorry, Affy. Spinning. Traction control cutting in. Now we're off. Bro, this is mad. The way it sings.
There's me going looking for the handle.
Bro, this is too mad, man. This is an amazing day for me.
You're welcome.
I want one.
You're welcome.
I just can't afford one.
You get there, bruv.
Bro, I'll part X the Turbo S, and 20 quid.
Oh my gosh.
Is it a deal?
Did you just hear that? 20k.
It's all I got, bro. It's all I've got.
I'll tell you what, guys. Tell us what you think. 20k and it's Turbo S.
It's MANNOL. Shout out to MANNOL. It's a MANNOL truck. They always come at the right time when I'm having best moments, bro.
There you go.
Shout out to MANNOL.
There you go. Shout out to MANNOL.
Today has been a dream come true that, you know, not a lot of people get to experience. And
I'm glad you did.
Thank you.
Obviously, you're another Porsche lover, so I'm glad you did. I mean,
and you let me drive it. let me drive it properly, like, you know what I mean?
We have to.
It's a very, very special car. And as I say, what we've done today on the roads, you know, we could have pushed a little bit harder, but let's, like, you know, you got to understand that, you know.
Passenger.
we want to do. Look, we're driving spiritedly.
Yeah.
And driving spiritedly in a GT3 RS is not its full capabilities, is what I'm trying to say. We all know that these are built for the track, or road-going track car, but hopefully I've gave my audience a little bit of a feel of what these can do and how they feel. And to have this experience, as I say, right now in the current market and the availability of these cars, not a lot of people are getting these experiences. So thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. Like, Affy's already a big part of the channel, like, you know what I mean? He goes down in history on the channel. And yeah, I appreciate it, bro.
Again, you're absolutely welcome, and see you soon.
No, listen, we're not going like he's not going out like that, because you're going to head over to Affy's YouTube channel, which he has now, which is, tell him again, bro, tell him again.
Yeah, Affy/GTR.
Okay.
Affy GTR.
Affy GTR.
Just check it out. My whole build, everything.
Yep.
It's going on. I actually can't wait, like a little kid right now. I want my car back so I can.
It is coming back.
So I can come back, but it's coming back very soon.
Yeah,
very
and it's
soon.
coming back very strong too.
And it's going to be coming back very different.
Yes.
Very different.
You won't say too much. Guys, I'll leave links down below in the description to Affy's YouTube, exclusive autos, Affy's Instagram, every platform that you can find him on. And yeah, man, if you have enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button, share these videos because it helps, and stay tuned because me and Affy are going out in my Turbo S for a first drive in the next video.
And I hear it's
very spicy,
crazy fast, crazy fast.
Let's see.
Looking forward to it,
guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.